Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another case of what's in the box. No box. There's a reason why there's no box. Because I bought this at the local hobby shop. So it didn't come in a box. It came in the box that it came in. But there's no surprise of what's in this box. It says it right there. Alright, we opened it up because I'm an impatient and I wanted to see what's going on. So I opened this bad boy up, looked inside, said, ooh, I gotta do a video. So let's get into this real quick. This is the second building for the module. You saw it was a Columbia feed mill. So let's open up this plastic baggie and see what's up in this bad boy. Alright, so there's a baggie. Alright, here we go. What do we got? We got a plastic baggie. Then I'm going to assume that these windows are supposed to come in. So we're going to put these windows back in their plastic baggie so they don't get messed up. So I can get them in there. Alright, here we go. That's one set of windows. And there's going to be a second set. Well, alright, so we're back. I don't know what just happened. The camera just shut off. Alright, so here's the base. The bases. I think we're going to shoot those in the, concrete. So that's not a problem. This is like the outer building, side building. We're going to prime these up because you see there's some mold waves, I don't know what they call it, but like mold shadows or whatever in there. And those seem to constantly come through the paint. This roof looks pretty good. I might just dull coat it and weather it. This one's definitely getting primed and painted. I think we're going to do the same on this roof as we did on the other structure. But I'm going to go pick up some paper that's even finer. It's almost like a black tissue paper. And we'll see how that comes out. Hopefully that looks a little... I don't know. The other one doesn't look bad. It just sometimes it looks a little bit heavy to me. But, that's me. I get... very finicky about my work. So yeah, so we'll do that with these roofs. And 2 sets of windows and doors, identical sheets. No clue what that's about, but we got them. Got the windows. We're gonna do which is nice because I think we have extra loading dock doors. So I can play around with these, and yeah, I got, there's 8 of them. I don't know. Do I have 8 doors? I might have 8 doors. I don't know. But I can play around with them and see if I can, make one look open a little bit, and maybe have a couple of them open. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know how they sit in the building. Let's flip it over and look. I don't know. They sit from the outside? Oh, they go in from the inside, so. Now we'll figure that out. We'll cross that when we get to it. Here's the brick. The brick looks pretty good, but as you can see, there's like molding shadows in it. I guess, I don't know. We'll give these a wash like I promised I was going to do the last time. But we'll give these a wash out, and we'll hit this with some red primer. We'll go from there. That's what's going to be next up, I guess, very shortly. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. You know how. Like it owes you money. Happy New Year, and we're creeping up on 100, and surprisingly, we gained a big boost in the last 2 weeks. So we're almost at 100, and I'm thinking about doing a giveaway with this bad boy. I know it looks kind of, I don't know what happened to it, but it's a Proto 2000 caboose. They're actually, this is like a first gen. They're really nice. I have I think 2 or 3 of these, and they're really nice. I saw this one, I picked it up, and this one doesn't have lights in it yet, and maybe we'll do something with that. I don't know, not 100% sure. I might do that, I might do something different, I don't know yet. But yep, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, hit the notification button. As always, catch you later.